Many times, diet and exercise alone do not yield the results that we're looking for. No matter how hard we work, the body communication keeps telling the cells to hold and store fat. Over time, these signals can get confused, and the body stays in a vicious cycle of hormone imbalance. What if we had the ability to communicate at these important processing centers to help the body remember its perfect balance? Well, we can do this by targeting an ancient body system that is designed to achieve and maintain homeostasis, perfect cellular balance. It's called the ECS and is the master regulatory system of the body. It's responsible for bringing all the other body systems into balance. This system plays a role in hormone release, body fat mass, body weight gain, body fat loss, emotion and reward, and so much more. By sending powerful messenger molecules to specific communication sites, we can help the body remember a more healthy, balanced state. By using organic botanicals, we can provide nourishment to support and balance a more healthy state of being. Try our organic botanicals today. Organic botanicals that are scientifically designed to get 3 times the results than dieting and exercise alone.